Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode. If it's brown out day, it's beach day for Dumagueteneos. Matik gid na. In this video, I'll show you one of the low-key beaches here in Bacong. Low-key kay free beach ba? So landmark here is Ongchiti National High School. You will see this middle road barriers on the first intersection that you will see. Just go paubos. You will see a sign. It's called Lopez Haina Street. That's the way to this free beach. Free beach. Ang tao. Asa ang kayak? Ang kayak kung tata daghan ang tao. We have Sugba na daan na mas balay. Okay na. Nadiri favor ang hangin. It guys. Deh. Kanan siya ko. So, snack na po tag bread. Dessert. Dessert tag bread. Some peanut butter. Chill vibes. May tent sa Queen. Ayan. So they also have kayak rental here from 150 to 200 pesos every 2 hours na. Lingaw gid mo.
Hala. Ignorante yan eh.
Ay, ka-nice. Yun. Mm. We're like in the middle of nowhere. We